Today at Battery Guyz Nation, we're installing a battery in a 2017 Mazda 6. For this project, you will need a 10mm socket to take off the battery bracket that is located on the top of the battery itself. You usually just use a small long extension with a 10mm and just take off those bolts. Once you remove the battery bracket itself, then use that 10mm socket or wrench to disconnect the negative terminal from the battery itself, which is also known as the ground. Then proceed to your positive terminal as well and do the same exact thing as well. Once you get those positive and negative terminals off the battery itself, you'll be able to freely lift up the battery. Matt is back. He's installing the world's best reconditioned battery back into this 2017 Mazda 6 battery. And we're going to connect the positive terminal back onto the positive post first. And we're going to use our 10mm socket to tighten up that bolt. What we're doing now, Matt, he's installing the battery bracket back onto the battery. Take those hooks and just hook them on the bottom of that battery box and just tighten up your screw. The next step is just to connect the negative terminal back into the negative battery post itself and tighten that up with your 10mm socket. Just turn it clockwise until you feel the bolt tighten up on itself. This completes the setup of how to install a 2017 Mazda 6 battery. Please make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe.